Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to show you guys how to make a simple Nigerian fried rice and chicken. I have my ingredients, I have all the things that I need here, and I've already chopped them. Here is my groundnut oil. So you guys can see it. I have my rice here. This is 3 cups of rice. 3 normal cups of rice is this. Then I have my peas. This is peas. This is a frozen one. I brought it out from the fridge. I have my sweet corn. This is my green bell pepper. I've already chopped it. Here I have my green beans, well chopped as well. Then I have my hot dog, my carrots, my yellow bell pepper. These peppers are just for color. Then here I have my chicken, very well washed and ready to be seasoned. Then I have my stock cube. This is not stock cube, this one is not chicken. I have my dry pepper as always, my garlic and ginger. I did not blend it, it is chopped. Salt, my aromat, curry. There is no way you can cook Nigerian fried rice without curry, so here is my curry. I have my alloro. This one is Italian spice. I normally use it in my food. My nutmeg powder. I have my rosmarino. Then I have my onions. Go to my description box to see the full list. As always, we are going to start with the chicken, so let's go and season the chicken. This is my meat, and to season it I am going to start off with my salt. Add my salt to taste. Add your salt the way you want it. My garlic and ginger, my aromat. This aromat contains salt, so you should be very careful when you are adding it. Then my rosmarino, stock cube, then I add my nutmeg powder, then my alloro, curry powder, my dry pepper, onions,
Playing on the track.
I'm going to cover it now to cook for some time, about 20 minutes, and we'll be back. And while my meat is cooking, I proceeded to parboil my rice. This is the water that I'm going to use to parboil my rice. I am going to rinse my rice. So guys, this is 20 minutes later. I've not added any water, but you can see the chicken brought out a lot of water on its own. So there's no need of me adding any more water. So this one is going to cook the chicken, because this is not hard chicken, this is a soft chicken. So no need of adding more water, as this one is going to be enough to cook the chicken. So I am going to cook it for another 20 minutes and it's done. So guys, this is another 20 minutes and my chicken is done. I am going to remove the chicken from the stock now. So guys, this is the stock I have. This is the chicken stock. Now the next thing I am going to do is to pour my rice inside the parboiled rice, guys. Some people parboil their rice differently. Some people parboil it to be strong. Me, I love my own to be at the middle, not too soft and not too strong. Is my rice. I am done with the rice and I'm done with the chicken as well. I fried my chicken and I'm also done with my rice. As you can see, the fried chicken all over the rice. I used this rice to welcome my husband. After 7 months away from us, I welcomed him with this rice. This rice tastes so delicious. It tastes so good. Give it a try out, guys, and you won't regret it. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.